Hey, now I've got like almost all of my dimple related things because I just showed you one like in another thing separately, but I've just got all of these dimples. So first up we got 3 simple dimples. There are 2 pink and blue simple dimples and green and blue. Okay, so we got 3 of these flower dimples, purple, another pink, and another pink. We got 3 candy ones, so we got 2 purples and a pink. There's actually 2 pinks, but it's just one in the bag. So now we got this big dimple. It's pretty loud. So these are all of my dimple related things. So I'm gonna see out on the next fidget.